Hi, it's Kerry. You're going to get to see all of these wonderful snakes today. Can you tell me how many anacondas in today's video? I'm going on a snake hunt. This is a slippery customer. The green anaconda is a member of the Boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. The snakes are caught up in the top. The black mamba is one of the world's deadliest snakes. The Sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper. It is called a sidewinder because it uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. Let's look under here. The chain kingsnake is a harmless colorbreed species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. Boa constrictors are one of the largest snakes in the world, along with the reticulated python and anaconda. They are non-poisonous but just as deadly. And here's another boa. They ambush their prey, which means they will hide and wait for something tasty to go by and then attack. The black mamba is the fastest and second longest land snake in the world. Their name comes from the colour inside their mouths. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. They have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. The albino Burmese python. What a beautiful looking snake. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. The Cobra Hatchling. This is a great model. You can see a split in the egg where it's just starting to hatch out of the egg. Green anaconda hunts on land and in the water, but prefers water where it can move with ease. It can stay under the water for 10 minutes before it comes to the surface to breathe. Green anaconda. The diameter of their body can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimetres. The red-bellied black snake If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. This is a white cobra. They would have trouble because they don't have any camouflage. It would expose them to predators and enemies and make it hard for them to ambush prey. Rattlesnake. They are best known for and most easily recognized by their rattle. The rattle is made by segments of their tail locking together. The yellow ball python is a non-venomous constrictor. This is the smallest of the African pythons and is popular as a pet. Kingsnake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. They are popular as pet snakes. The brown snake is a venomous Australian snake. The cobra, when threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. Boa constrictors have small hooked teeth that they use to grab and hold prey. If their teeth fall out or become damaged, they can regrow them. Rattlesnakes are found in North and Southern America. I like this flexible one. Where the little dots are, it can bend. You can twist it round a tree or hang it from a rock. Well, I loved all these snakes. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is released. Subscribe and like if you like reptiles. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.